Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set do not disturb on your accounts. Do not disturb statues on your accounts on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, and now here you will find set statues. Click on it, and here as you see you will find do not disturb. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to set do not disturb statues on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.